You wake up in the morning and what do? You get yourself ready to go to school. But you don't have to go to school this time because school is closed. School at home, school at home. Let's get ready for some school at home. School at home, school at home. It's time for school at home.
Good morning, friends, and happy Thursday. Let's look at the date. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Can you help me find it's Thursday? Looks like this. Yesterday was Wednesday, and today is Thursday. There it is, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Thursday, April 9th. Can you help me find the 9? The font's a little different, so this is a little bit harder. There it is, the 9th. Yesterday was the 8th. Today is the 9th. What day will tomorrow be? Yeah, that says 10. Tomorrow will be the 10th. Today we're going to be practicing putting the dishes away. Last week we learned how to rinse them off and put them in the dishwasher, and today we're going to practice putting them away. So watch this video that Miss Sabrina made showing you how, and then you practice at home with your mom and dad. There's also a sequencing page that I put online, so you can go on there and practice sequencing it. See what happens first, what happens next, what happens after that, and what we do last. Thanks. Let's learn how to empty the dishwasher together. First, you open the dishwasher, then pull out one of the drawers. Next, you want to find dishes that are the same. Pick up those dishes. Now, I want to put all those dishes away in the same place. Put them with the other dishes that look the same. All these dishes are the same. We do the same thing with all of the dishes. These little dishes are the same, so they will go together. We're going to do the same thing for the silverware too. Let's match them together. First, let's open the drawer. This is a knife. I'm going to put it with the other knives. Here's a spoon. It goes with the other spoons. This is a fork. Where does it go? Right, it goes with the other forks. Keep matching all of the silverware and put it away. Sometimes you'll find things that look different. This is a potato peeler. I like to put it in the back, but you can ask your mom and dad where things go at your house. When you're all done, you close the drawer and put the silverware holder back in the dishwasher, just like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing for all the dishes in the top rack. Remember to match dishes that look the same. These bowls are all the same. This bowl is a little bit different, but I'll match these two together. Once I have them all together, I can put them in the cabinet. These bowls go right here. The purple bowls go right behind them. That's how it is in my house. I'm going to do the same thing with my cups. These cups go on this side with the cups that look the same. The teal cup goes over here. The clear cup goes over there. Where does this cup go? Should I put it in here or over here? That's right, I should put it on this side with the other cups that look the same. What about this one? The clear one goes with the other clear cups. We did it. Sometimes the dishes are still wet. If this happens, take a clean rag and dry it off. Now I can put my dry pot away with the other pots and pans. There we go. Once the dishwasher's all empty, I can close it. I'm all done. Good job.